Welcome everyone. So today we're looking at our last bit of percentages or financial maths. We're going to focus on percentages as this will help you do some of the exercises regarding the financial maths. It's not too difficult. Relax, enjoy it. It's a very important skill to know how to do. So let's get started. So the important thing here when working with percentages is to remember percentage is out of 100. Alright, so it is out of 100. Same as if you're getting your marks in a test. If you get 80 or 8 out of 10, that changes to out of 100. So it becomes 80 out of 100, you got 80%. So percentages is out of 100. So if you get a question and it says, calculate, let's say, 12% of 10,000 Rand. And they want you to know what is 12% of 10,000 Rand. What you remember, that is 12 out of 100. So you can rewrite it as 12 over 100. And of in maths means times. So that's times 10,000. A nice way to look at it is, I would take the 10,000, I would divide it by 100. So 10,000 divided by 100, you're going to lose 0 and 0. And then you're going to go 12 times the rest. And 12 times 100 is equal to 1,200. So 12% out of 10,000 is 1,200 Rand. So remember, we took the 10,000, we divided, and then the top part we just multiplied. It's a very simple method, but it's to try and help you just get through this exercise. It should make it easier. This obviously falls under the thing of fractions, and fractions will come on later as well during the course of the year. So it's just a little method to help you, and I hope it makes sense. So to conclude this exercise, if a shop owner did buy, let's say, a bicycle for 10,000 Rand, and he offered 12% discount, okay, and said, well, what does he sell it for? You know how to work out what is 12% of 10,000 Rand. We did that in the previous one, so we know that 12% is equal to 1,200. And because it's a discount, we're going to say 10,000 Rand minus 1,200 Rand, and that gives us 8,800 Rand. Okay, and that would be how much he would sell his bicycle for with the discount. I hope this makes sense. Good luck with the exercises, and we'll see you in the next chapter.